Hi friends, welcome to Tanvi's garden. Actually today I made this beautiful hanging decoration using bamboo sticks. So let's see how I made it. So first of all I will cut 2 pieces of bamboo, and if you don't have bamboo you can use PVC pipe as well. So I am cutting it. Okay, now I will remove the skin of the bamboo stick so that it looks clean. Alright, so friends, I am cutting a hook now, and this is an important part to make the hanging decoration which I am going to prepare. Okay, so what I'll do, I will just put a nail just below the hook. I will put 2 nails. So now what I'll do, I will take the another bamboo and place in the hook like this, and I will tie it with a rope so that it doesn't move. I will tie it very tightly. I'll take the support of the nails and try to tie it as tight as possible. I have tied it tightly and I am cutting the extra rope from the knot, so it's ready. As you can see, this is a cold drink bottle, and I am cutting it with this sharp cutter, and I'm going to use it as a hanging pot for the decoration which I am preparing. So keep watching. Okay, I have cut it. Now what I'll do, I will just remove the label from the bottle. Actually, as it is lockdown here, I am not going out and I am spending my time doing these decorative things, and hope you guys will like it. So this is the bottle, and now this is a Fevicol gum. I'll put this gum on the bottle surface. So I'll put it like this with the help of this brush. I'll put gum all over the bottle. Alright, now I will roll this jute rope throughout the bottle. So as you can see, it's very easy to make. So you guys try to make it, and obviously I hope it will give a very beautiful look to your plants which you have at your home. So just roll it. So I am almost done. As you can see, here I will cut the extra rope with the help of the scissor, and as you can see, my mini hanging pot is ready. This is the another important point, the drainage hole. As you can see, I have prepared drainage hole below the bottle, and I have prepared 8 bottles for the hanging decoration. Now as this is a hanging pot, I will make it a hanging pot. I will just make a hole with the help of needle just opposite sides of the bottle so that I can hang it. So this is a steel wire. I will put across the hole through the bottle like this so that I can fold it, and I can put a rope in it and I can hang it. So I'll fold it slightly like this. Okay, it's very tight. So okay, I am folding it. Okay, so this is how it will look, and I will tie a rope on the middle of this steel wire. Okay, now I'm going to put the soil mixture in the mini hanging pots which I have made. So I'll fill it. As you can see, this is a spider plant. I will plant it in the mini little pot. So I'll plant it. So these are the royo plants. I will plant some royo plants in this another pot. Okay, so these are the 8 pots, hanging pots which I have prepared, and I have paired it in 4 pairs, like 2 spider, 2 royo, 2 alternaria and 2 coleus. So these are the plants. Now I am going to hang the pots in the bamboo stick which I had prepared already, and I will tie the pots in a sequence from longer to shorter on both the sides of the stick. So this is the first one. So guys, as you can see, my hanging pots are ready. It's really looking beautiful, isn't it? And now I will place the stick in one of my rain lily pot, and this is the pot in which I will put it. I will slightly press the stick inside the pot. Okay, I am pressing it. Alright, I am done. So how is it looking? This is my rain lily pot. I'm really happy, it's looking very beautiful. So look here, this is the final look of my decoration. So hope you guys will like it. Okay, I will water my sweet little plants now. I'll water it one by one, and it's really looking beautiful, isn't it guys? And you to try this decoration, and hope you guys will also come out with a very beautiful result. So these were the plants which I have prepared, and this is the decoration. So hope you guys liked the video, and if you liked it, press the like button and do not forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching. Take care. Bye bye.